A motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour. Please make a mental note of the unit. Mark it basically. It helps. It takes 4 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. Calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motor car if its mass along with the passenger is 1000 kg. So this is a question wherein we need to draw a free body diagram. So what is that we are looking at? We have a motor car moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour. It's not meter per second, it's kilometer per hour. And it takes 4 seconds to stop. Okay, this is what they mean. This is time 0. This is time 4. The object comes to an halt at the end of 4 seconds. So this is 0 meter per second. Rest is nothing but, stopping is nothing but the final velocity is 0. Is it not? So the force on this object would be to the left. Why? Since it's moving to the right, when we apply the brakes, the friction would stop it or push it back. So we have the force to be in the left direction. Right? And the mass is also given. Mass is 1000 kg. This is all the things that is given. One exception is that we need to convert this to meter per second. So U is equal to 108 kilometer per hour. How do you convert it? So we know that 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters. 1 hour is nothing but 16 to 60 seconds. Now U would be equal to 108 into 1000 divided by 16 to 60 meter per second. We have converted it. So 10101010, 6 ones are 6 ones are and 48, 6 8s are 48. Then again we have 6 ones are 6, 3s are. This is basically 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second. And now we can start the calculation, the working. So how do you find force? Force is nothing but product of mass and acceleration. The thing is, we know the mass but not the acceleration or the force. We need to figure out the acceleration before doing anything. How do you do this? With the help of equations of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. We know the final velocity, it's 0. Initial velocity is plus 30 plus A into time is 4 seconds. So we need to subtract 30 both the ends. We have minus 30 is equal to this, and this gets cancelled, and we have 4 into A. Let's divide with 4 at both the ends. So A is equal to minus 30 by 4 meter per second square. This would be your acceleration. Deceleration. Why? We got a negative answer. What does it mean? It is opposite to the direction of the motion. The acceleration is opposite to the direction of the motion. We are considering right as positive direction. So acceleration is to the left. Okay. So this is an extra information that acceleration is opposite direction to the motion. Okay, now all we have to do is calculate force, which is nothing but mass, which is 1000, into acceleration, which is minus 30 by 4. Right? See, you can see the power of not calculating things. We can carry it across because this is not the final answer. Remember, acceleration is not the final answer. That's why I didn't do any cancellation over there. We can now cancel things out easily. Ones this would be 25, 0, right? And now all we have to do is 2 zeros, 75 minus 7500 Newton. This is the amount of force that is required to stop the vehicle within 4 seconds. Right? So this is your answer.